The third and final part to your assignment today is to write and send an email to Mrs. Tupons. So the third part of our assignment is to compose and send an email to Mrs. T, and you need to make sure that you follow all 5 steps that I'm going to show you on the next slide. Now, the body of your email, or that's what the part where you get to type what you want, it can include anything that you want to ask or tell me. You can write anything from what you did this weekend to real questions you might have about our math class or your grades, or you can just tell me something fun like what are you most grateful for? It's completely up to you. The goal of today is to practice sending an appropriate email using all the correct steps. So here we have steps to email a teacher. Now these are steps for our math class, but these are steps that you can use for any emailing of teachers that you have in your future. So number 1, we need to have a subject line. Now subject lines should be really, really short, 2 or 3 or 4, maybe 5 words that tell the teacher why you're emailing them. It can look like things like missing work, maybe you just want to type late work, homework question, online work help, just a couple words that tell the teacher what you need. Number 2, in the body of the email, you're going to start with some type of greeting, maybe good morning, Mrs. Tupons, or hello, or happy Monday, any way you want to start, just so that you don't dive right into your question. Step 3 is any explanation. So this is really where you get to type to your teacher what you want to know or what you want help with. So get to the point and explain what you need. You have some sentence starters here as well. Maybe I'm emailing because, or I need help with, or can you please explain? And then you can fill in whatever your questions are. Once you're done talking to your teacher in the email message, you want a closing. So you've got to end the email and just show them that you're done. Some great ones are things like thank you, or I hope you're well, or hope to hear from you soon, or maybe see you on Zoom tomorrow. Somehow show your teacher that you're done, and then sign your name at the end. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to open up my Gmail and I'm going to show you these 5 steps from start to finish. So in your inbox over here, you should have a compose button. And when you click on that, it's going to open a brand new email. Now I'm going to delete this because I'm guessing that you don't have a signature ready. It probably looks blank like this. So the first thing you should do is find your teacher. So since we want Mrs. Tupons, we're going to start typing in Tupons, T-O-U, and we notice we find Kirsten Tupons right here, and we're going to click on it. Now, remember, the subject of your email should be 2 to 5 words. It should be really short. Often I see students just start typing like, I need help with my math assignment for today. But keep in mind, this is like a title space. We don't want to put all of our business there. We just want to say, maybe I'm going to put email homework, because our homework assignment today is to send an email. So we're going to do some type of opening, maybe Dear Mrs. Tupons, or maybe hello. Okay, I'm going to click enter a few times, and now it's time to really get to the body of your email. So I'm going to type, this is my email assignment for today. I was wondering if you could help me by telling me how my email looks. Okay. Now, remember, you can type anything you want there. You can just tell me about your dogs, your cats, or whatever, and then you're going to do some type of closing. So just a thanks or a thank you goes a long way, especially when your teachers are getting email after email every day, and they're getting a lot. So just a little thank you is good. And then you're going to sign it. So I'm going to put your name. I'm going to pretend I'm Sally. Remember, we have a lot of students, so I'm going to say Sally Greer is my name. Okay, and then you're going to send it. So remember, we had those 5 steps. We had our subject line, we had an opening, we had the body, we did some type of closing, and then we had our name. And you're going to click send, and it will send right to your teacher.